We're here at Brandon's house again in Flagler. We're gonna go red fishing. Well, at least attempt to. Last time we went out, we didn't get anything but a toady. But maybe this time we'll get something. It's a foggy morning.
Tommy's got his first trout, and we just lost a big tarpon.
Yeah, it was a monster. Nice. Got some teeth, but at least we got something so far. We've been in the water for what? 15 minutes. Yeah. It's looking good so far. Nice little clean trout. A beautiful fish. All right, we'll see you in a minute. You got him. There you go. That's a net full. About a dozen. So we just worked the first canal. We hit the docks. Brandon lost a nice tarpon, and I got a little trout. It was a keeper. While we were there, we hit the oyster beds, and Brandon loaded up on some finger mullet. We're getting ready to hit these mangroves here, work that seawall, and work the next canals. See what we can get. Tommy got him. Tommy's got himself something going on here. Oh, nice. Don't lift his head out. Don't lift his head out. Nice. Second fish in the boat. That's it, brother. Brandon just hooked himself a trout. Little guy. Just came to life a little trout. Another red. It's a red. It's a little red. Alright. Nice little redfish. Yeah. Little 12-inch, 13-inch. Yeah. Nice little clean fish. One cast, we're loaded up, ready to go. Got him. Some of them are a little too big. Yeah, we can save them for cut bait. I'll just dump them right now. We have runners. Oh. No, that one's alive. Yeah. All right. We good. That bee eating the fish.
Everybody loves fresh fish.
While Brandon's still cleaning the fish, I'm gonna go inside and see what the girls are doing. Hey people. What's up, ladies?
What up?
It's New Year's Eve. For you?
It's almost beer 30.
Oh, it already is for me. For those of you who don't know, this is Skylar, Toth.
Yes.
She has a YouTube channel.
And TikTok.
And TikTok. What's your TikTok?
It's at Skylar_.
TikTok. TikTok.
Start over.
I'm not.
Keep that in.
All right, Skylar, what was this here again?
Roasted garlic with olive oil and Italian seasoning and a little bit of balsamic. And then this is a whipped feta dip with an olive tapenade on top.
And it's so good. That's a big boy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Man, he's a big one.